Most harsh corals appear to be shades of yellow-brown. Some of the corals are more colorful. The color you see comes from a tiny critter that lives in the coral tissues. This critter is part plant and part animal, or more technically, a photosynthetic dinoflagellate, and its name is Zooxanthellae. This Zooxanthellae uses sunlight and the coral with carbon dioxide to create oxygen and sugars, which is coral food. And this is the number one mutualistic symbiotic relationship that makes coral reefs possible. The coral gets about 80% of its food from the Zooxanthellae waste, and the Zooxanthellae gets fed and gets a place to live. Neither can survive for long without the other.
Corals are completely dependent on the symbiotic algae. The Zooxanthellae can provide all the nutrients necessary. In most cases, all the carbon needed for the coral to build the calcium carbonate skeleton. Hard corals are reef builders, and the symbiotic relation enables the coral to grow faster, which is not only partly responsible for the existence of coral reefs, but also vital and necessary.
Zooxanthellae also take up nutrients released by the coral's metabolism such as nitrogen and carbon dioxide.
Introducing coral to the reef aquarium will trigger some adjustment and change can be observed, depending on light level and intensity, waterfall, and nutritional level.
The corals that make up reefs around the world may look like one giant organism, but they are actually an ecosystem with many small creatures working together. Thousands of tiny jellyfish like animals called polyps connect together to form colonies. These colonies host algae, which provide corals with food as well as their vivid color through the process of photosynthesis. A combination of global warming, water pollution, and other environmental disturbances can stress corals, leading them to expel the tiny algae that they need to survive. The process called bleaching leaves the only white skeleton, where before they were vibrant color. Bleached coral are not necessarily dead. Restoring cool water temperature or remove pollutants can help fragile corals recover. Without improving conditions, they essentially die. Why should we care about the coral bleaching? Because about 25% of marine life depends on the habitats created by coral reefs. More than 500 million people worldwide rely on reefs for food, tourism, employment, even protection from extreme weather events. Bleaching is likely to occur in areas with small currents, especially in shallow water, because the low current will cause the temperature to remain high for a period of time. So, the way we solve or fix these issues is to manage the water quality, along with restricting the unfriendly activity occurred by humans that affect the environment to help restore the coral reef.